Hi, I'm Polly. My team is new to AWS and we are in the process of migrating several applications to our new AWS environment. Although our first application is up and running, I'm struggling to find a way to get meaningful operational notifications about our application's performance. We have several more applications to migrate, so time is of the essence. I really just need something that is easy to use, secure, scalable, and provides actionable information while not leading to notification fatigue. I came across a framework called Argus. It was created by an amazing company called OneStrategy. The framework uses tagging to automatically send notifications to my team. It uses AWS native services like CloudWatch alarms, CloudWatch metrics, and CloudWatch dashboards. This keeps our data in our account, and I like that it does not require me to grant anyone access to my AWS account. Let me show you how easy it is to use. First, let me create operational alarms for my EC2 instances. Here is one of my EC2 instances. Although I can see metrics, I haven't yet created any alarms for my team's application servers. Let's change that. With Argus, all I need to do is create a tag on the instances I want to monitor and several alarms will get created for me. Look, Argus has created 3 baseline alarms on this instance for me. I can view this alarm and see the data that has been published to the metric. Argus has created these alarms with default values. These look like a great start. Now how can I get an overview of how my service is running? Let's see how Argus can organize my resources into a dashboard for my team. Here, I'm creating an owner tag to identify this as part of my team's application. I am going to set the tag value as my team name, Team A. I just need to hit save to add this tag. I have another EC2 instance running my application. So let us include that instance right now too. I will add my Team A tag, just like I did on the last one. After a short wait, you can see that all the alarms have now been updated to include my team name. You can see this change on both of the instances. If I jump over to the CloudWatch service now, we can review the dashboard that was created for me. We can see that it has included both of the instances that we tagged with my team name. Awesome. This is a great start, however I need to fine-tune which metrics are used to create alarms. Let me show you how. I'm going to use the Argus UI to assist me on this next step. Here is the list of EC2 metrics that are supported. I will copy this tag name and use it to create my new tag. The tag value will be the list of metrics I want a CloudWatch alarm set for on this instance. As soon as I create this tag, Argus begins creating these alarms for me. Next, I want to make sure any CPU alarms are marked as critical. I will go to the Argus UI to get help creating this tag. I will create an additional tag to monitor my critical metrics. You'll notice the tag value is the name of the CPU metric. In addition to that, I also want to change the alarm threshold. Although Argus sets a default value for me. For this specific application, I need to change the CPU threshold. I will create a tag to mark what my new threshold for this metric will be. Once I save this, Argus will go update my alarms. Now that we are done with configuration, the last step is to subscribe to alerts. All of the alarms will be sent to a single SNS topic. This is where I will subscribe. I can identify that I just want to receive alerts for my team's resources. I will also filter these alerts based on the level, that way, I only get alerts for critical events. Once I save this subscription, I will begin to receive alerts when an alarm is breached. Here is an example text message alert from my application. I can see the alarm name and more details to help me have context what happened. With this information I know my application server isn't performing as expected and I can take action from there. As you have seen, with Argus, I have a simple, scalable, easy-to-use tool that gets me the information that I need when I need it. Thanks Argus.